Modern front yard gardens focus on clean lines, minimalist designs, and functional elements. In this video, we'll explore 15 stylish modern garden ideas to transform your outdoor space. One of the hallmarks of modern garden design is the use of clean lines and symmetry. Arrange plants, pathways, and structures to create a balanced and organized look. Gravel gardens are a low-maintenance choice for modern landscapes. Pair gravel with minimalist plants like succulents or ornamental grasses for a sleek, understated look. Choose trees and shrubs with architectural shapes to enhance the modern feel of your garden. Plants like boxwoods or Japanese maples bring structure and sophistication. For small front yards, vertical gardens are a stylish way to incorporate greenery. Wall-mounted planters or trellises covered in climbing plants bring a modern twist to urban spaces. Incorporating concrete and metal into your garden adds an industrial, modern edge. Use planters, retaining walls, or sculptures to introduce these materials into your landscape. Drought-tolerant gardens are ideal for modern designs, combining sustainability with style. Plants like agave, yucca, and cacti thrive in low-water environments while creating bold visual statements. Lighting plays a crucial role in modern garden design. Install recessed lights along pathways or use spotlights to highlight plants and architectural features. Incorporating a minimalist water feature adds both visual interest and tranquility to a modern front yard. Choose simple designs like a small reflecting pool or a metal fountain. Large, geometric planters add structure and style to modern front yard gardens. Use these to house small trees or architectural plants like ferns and succulents. Incorporate geometric patterns into your hardscaping with square or rectangular pavers, arranged in a grid or offset design. This approach adds a sense of order and style. While modern gardens often use neutral tones, bold color accents can add excitement. Use brightly colored planters, doors, or garden furniture to create a striking contrast. Create depth and visual interest by designing multi-level gardens. Use retaining walls, raised beds, or terracing to add layers and texture to your front yard. Using native plants not only supports local ecosystems, but also reduces the need for maintenance. Choose plants that naturally thrive in your area for a sustainable, modern garden. Modern front yard gardens are about blending function with style. Whether you prefer minimalist designs or a more structured look, these ideas can help you create a beautiful, low-maintenance outdoor space.